Everyone, today we are going to discuss standard enthalpy of chemical reaction. Now if at all enthalpy changes of different chemical reactions are to be compared, then we need to ensure that the reactions are conducted in identical conditions. So what exactly the standard condition is? The conditions where a specific substance should be stable. So for that, as far as any substance is concerned, for the given substance, pressure must be 1 atmosphere. I mean at 1 atmospheric pressure, that stability of that specific substance is needed to be considered, and at a probable temperature of 25 degrees Celsius. And if you are dealing with the solutions, then for solution 1 molar solution of a specific substance is considered as a standard. Now these parameters are important. So different chemical reactions when compared as per their enthalpy change values, then we need to take care of these conditions. Now consider, for example, hypothetical reaction A plus B gives C plus D. If all ingredients, I mean A, B, C and D, all entities in the chemical reaction are in the standard condition, I mean standard states, then whatever enthalpy change recorded is said to be the standard enthalpy of the given chemical reaction. Now as far as standard conditions are concerned, if conditions are standard and we are dealing with the formation of any substance, then the enthalpy change related to that reaction is said to be the standard enthalpy of formation. Now it is point that what is exactly the standard enthalpy of formation. So standard enthalpy of formation of any species is the amount of heat changed when 1 mole of any substance is formed in its standard state. For example, consider formation of liquid water. So H2 gas, hydrogen is gas at room temperature, so it is its standard state, plus half of O2 gas gives H2O liquid. So this is the formation of 1 mole of H2O liquid, and for this very reaction the enthalpy change recorded is minus 286 kilojoule. Thus minus 286 kilojoule will be the standard enthalpy of formation of water per mole. Now likewise another thing, standard enthalpy of combustion, standard enthalpy of combustion. Now combustion reaction is the reaction of a substance with oxygen, or when any substance is burnt in oxygen, then that reaction is said to be the combustion reaction. And in fact, if conditions are standard, then it is said to be the standard enthalpy of combustion. Now consider, for example, combustion of CO gas. CO gas when burnt in oxygen, then this lead to the formation of CO2 gas, and the enthalpy of this very reaction is found to be minus 283 kilojoule per mole. Thus minus 283 kilojoule per mole is enthalpy of combustion of CO gas. Thus enthalpy of combustion is the enthalpy change in a process of burning of 1 mole of substance in oxygen, and during the course of that reaction whatever heat change occurs, that is said to be the standard enthalpy of combustion of that specific substance. Thank you very much.